G part 2 says to translate the hypothesis to symbolic form and complete the pair. So we have to go back to my example. In the meantime, the example in the assignment, the hypothesis in the assignment itself is saying that the mean is equal to 200. So you've got to go into this table and look for the symbolic translation of the mean is equal to. It must be written somewhere inside here. Now, in my case, in my example, I change it around. I change the hypothesis and I put, remember the hypothesis is an answer to the research question without data. The data is asking what is the average? Okay, and the hypothesis I'm saying now, it is less than 200. So I have to translate this now to symbolic form. Okay, I can just simply copy this and paste it where I'm going to work with it. That's G part 2. Part 2 is G. So I need to translate this statement to symbolic form. So I've got to select the appropriate translation. Is less than. Where can I find is less than in this table? Here, here it is. The mean is less than. The mean is less than is what you call an alternative hypothesis. The symbol for it is A. The alternative hypothesis do not carry the equal sign. It's like two persons debating. The question is, what is the average? So someone saying, well, the mean is less than. And someone opposing will say, no, the mean is not less than, the mean is greater than or equal to. So the opposing statement for less than is greater than or equal to. The null statement must have the word equal in it. As you can see, all the null statements have equal. All the alternative statements do not have the equal. All right. So for my example, this is the pair. The mean is less than 200. The mean is more than or equal to 200. So you have to do the same, but you have to look for is equal to and complete the pair. Okay. In my case, because it is less than, that is alternative, and I have to get the complement of alternative, contrary, which is greater than or equal to, and translate it in symbolic form. We have to use the symbol mu for population mean. Let's see if I can get this in symbols, in insert. Does insert have special characters? Let's check it out. Does it have the mu? Does it have Greek letters? I'm seeing special characters, but I'm not seeing that Greek symbol mu. That symbol mu is the symbol for population mean. It says you can draw it there. Okay. It goes like this and like this. Mu. Okay. Search results. Okay. Well, I've got to use this and right, exit. Will it show? Will it insert? Let's go back again to see how this operates. Search by keyword. Mu. Do you have mu there? I'm not seeing anything coming out. I have to draw it. You can Google it, mu. You can type population mean symbol. You see, here it is. Here it is. The symbol mu represents population mean. Okay. So I can also just Let me see if I copy this and paste it. It will, because I need to use that symbol in my translation. Let me just take this out, paste. Oh, here it is. Oh, I put capital M. Well, you see, capital M is, you see, mu is like our M in English. Any word that starts with M, you see, like mean, median mode, we're using M. So we have capital M and small m, just like Greek. Greek have capital M and small m, but it's not M. They calling it mu. Now the uppercase is like our uppercase also, but the lowercase now is that symbol mu, not like small m. So that is like the small m. All right, M for mean. Okay, so the alternative HA is saying for me the mean, the population mean is less than 200. I'm translating symbolically this statement. This is an alternative statement, less than, and the null always comes above. So I can just copy this and paste it for the format to be the same. Changes to O. The symbol for the null is HO, just for instructional purposes, the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. So the null now will be in the opposite direction with the equal sign. Can I get this character in equations? Greater than or equal to? Here it is. Greater than or equal to 200. So that's my symbolic translation of the null and the alternative for my hypothesis. So you do something similar for the hypothesis in the question. Then my question is saying the mean is equal to. Okay. So you have to use a table to complete the pair.